Want to learn how to earn a whopping $14,372 using an AI Twitter bot? You're watching the perfect video because I'm about to break down how you can leverage the power of artificial intelligence and social media to make some serious cash, even if you're a complete beginner. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true, but I've got the step-by-step guide to help you set up your own Twitter bot and start raking in the dough. I just need you to pay close attention over the next few minutes so you don't miss any important money-making details. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Go to superchat.ai. Alright, so let's kick things off by talking about the first step in our journey towards earning big bucks with AI and Twitter. The first thing you're going to want to do is head on over to a website called superchat.ai. Now, I know what you're thinking. What the heck is superchat.ai? Well, let me tell you. It's a highly powered professional AI writer tool that's going to be your new best friend when it comes to crafting killer tweets that'll get you noticed. So why SuperChat? Well, the answer is simple. This tool is a game changer when it comes to creating high-quality content quickly and easily. As we all know, the key to building a strong following on Twitter is by consistently putting out engaging content that resonates with your audience. But let's be real here. Not everyone is a gifted writer. And even if you are, coming up with fresh ideas and clever tweets on a daily basis can be exhausting. That's where SuperChat comes to the rescue. This powerful tool uses artificial intelligence to generate tweets that are not only professional and polished but also highly relevant to your niche. Whether you're into fitness, fashion, or finance, SuperChat has got you covered. All you have to do is input a topic or keyword, and the AI does the rest. Within seconds, you'll have a range of tweet options to choose from, each one crafted to perfection by the AI. And the best part is that SuperChat is incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. You don't need any fancy tech skills or programming knowledge to get started. Simply create an account, enter your topic or keyword, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Step 2. Check out the Tweet Composer. Alright, now that we've covered what SuperChat is all about and how it can create killer tweets, it's time to move on to Step 2. And let me tell you, this one is a game changer. Step 2 involves using a brand new AI feature on Twitter called the Tweet Composer. This amazing tool allows you to create tweets in real time about events as they happen without ever having to leave the platform. That's right, you can be part of the conversation about the latest news, sports games, or cultural events in just a few clicks. So, how does it work? Well, it's pretty simple, really. All you have to do is type in a description of the event you want to tweet about, and the AI does the rest. It'll analyze the event and create a range of tweet options for you to choose from, all of which are perfectly crafted to fit the event and your niche. I love that the Tweet Composer is constantly learning and evolving. The more you use it, the more accurate and relevant your tweet suggestions become. So, not only will you be able to create engaging content in real time, but you'll also be able to do it faster and more efficiently than ever before. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but isn't this cheating? Shouldn't we be coming up with our own ideas for tweets? And to that, I say, not at all. The Tweet Composer isn't about taking shortcuts or cutting corners. It's about leveraging the power of AI to create relevant, engaging, and timely content. And let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, staying on top of breaking news and events is key to building a strong following on Twitter. Step 3. Start a new Twitter account. Now, it's time to move on to Step 3. Start a Twitter page in your specific niche. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but I already have a Twitter account. Why do I need to start a new one? Hear me out. The key to making money with Twitter is to build a following of engaged and interested users. And one of the best ways to do that is by starting a new Twitter page that's dedicated to your niche. So, let's say your niche is fashion. You could start a new Twitter page called Fashion Trends Today or something similar. This page should be focused solely on the latest fashion trends, news, and insights. By keeping your content tightly focused on your niche, you'll be able to attract a dedicated following of users who are interested in what you have to say. And once you've started your new Twitter page, it's time to start using the tools we've covered in the previous steps to create engaging and professional tweets. Use SuperChat to come up with fresh, exciting ideas for content, and use the Tweet Composer to create real-time tweets about the latest fashion events and news. Step 4. Constantly post on Twitter. I want you to remember, building a following on Twitter takes time and effort. That's why Step 4 is all about constantly posting tweets on your page and growing your following. The more content you post, the more likely it is that users will find and follow your page. And here's a pro tip. Engage with your followers, respond to their comments, ask for their feedback, and create a community around your niche. The more you interact with your followers, the more likely they are to stick around and become loyal fans. Step 5. Promote products to earn a commission. Alright, we've made it to Step 5 in our money-making method, putting an affiliate link in your Twitter bio. This is a really important step that can help you earn commissions on the products or services you promote in your niche. So, what is an affiliate link? Simply put, it's a unique URL that contains your affiliate ID. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission on that sale. Now, it's important to note that not all products or services have affiliate programs, so you'll need to do some research to find the ones that do. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. But there are also plenty of smaller niche-specific programs out there as well. Just do a little research and see what's available in your area of interest. Once you've found a product or service you'd like to promote, sign up for their affiliate program and get your unique affiliate link. Next, it's time to put that affiliate link in your Twitter bio. Your bio is the first thing users will see when they visit your profile, so make sure it's attention-grabbing and clearly states what your page is all about. For example, if your niche is fitness, your bio could say something like fitness tips, workouts, and gear recommendations. Click the link below for my favorite fitness products. Make sure to include a call to action in your bio that encourages users to click on your affiliate link. You could say something like, shop now for the best fitness products, or click the link to get started on your fitness journey. And there you have it. By including an affiliate link in your Twitter bio, you're making it easy for your followers to support your page while also earning commissions on the products or services you promote. Just remember to always be honest and transparent with your audience about your affiliate relationships and only promote products or services that you truly believe in. So go ahead and give it a try. Put that affiliate link in your bio and start earning those commissions. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial on how to make some serious cash with an AI Twitter bot and affiliate program. I hope you've learned some new tips and tricks that you can start using right away to grow your Twitter following and make some money. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment down below with any questions or feedback. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video from me. And of course, if you do end up making some money using these methods, be sure to come back and let me know in the comments. I love hearing all of your success stories. See you again next time.